Hi everyone, right next to me is the D5C interactive flat panel display from Hikvision, an ultimate tool for smarter offices and classrooms. It features a stylish, robust and flexible design and is configured with high-end hardware. Now let's take a look at its hardware and design. The D5C series has 5 different sizes, ranging from 55 inches to 98 inches. No matter which size you choose, you can decide whether to have a built-in camera and microphone. Treated with anodized 150 mesh sandblasting, the surface has such a smooth touch. Let's start from the top and work our way down. At the top you will find a 4K 8i camera and an 8-arrow microphone that picks up sounds from 12 meters away. In the center you'll find a 4K screen. Provides a comfortable experience. In the bottom left corner you will find our front ports. There are 2 USB 3 ports, 1 touch USB, 1 HDMI and 1 Type-C port. You can use these ports to transfer files and control your PC and won't need any extra operation system setup. You have 2 ways to connect. First, use touch USB and HDMI cables together to enable reverse control. Second, use a full function Type-C cable. The Type-C port supports screen mirroring, charge the device with 65 watts and regular USB file transfers. In the bottom right corner is our NFC module. With the WonderCast app on your Android phone, just tap it on the module to instantly mirror your screen. Easy and quick. Lastly, check out our floor stand. It's shaped like graceful posture of ballet, with top-notch spraying and welding. There's no visible seams on the stand, flawless and tough. Featuring a sleek modern design, top-notch hardware and unique craftsmanship. Our IFPD is perfect for collaboration with education, conferences and more. Thank you for watching and see you next time.